Greetings, FAAC Incorporated. I want to talk to you today about a training assistant tool called VITALS. VITALS actually stands for Virtual Instructor Trainee Assessment Learning System. So if you notice, it has both the instructor and the trainee assessment.
Either one, confirm.
The reason for this, VITALS was born out of a customer that needed to get his instructors on the same page. So what was happening was, I have my filters. I think this is super important, so I pay attention to that. You have your filters, you want to pay attention to this. But the reality is the department and the agencies and your companies all want it to follow policy, procedure, state law, federal law. So our filters have to kind of be removed, and that's what VITALS does. The second thing that VITALS does is that it gives you an area where you can predict future behavior, and we call it the yellow zone. I'll show you in a second. So it looks like he's made it all the way to the end of the call. I've been talking, so I haven't been paying attention. So I haven't really been looking for material, but let's just see what we have here. We're gonna pause him. We're gonna jump him back. We're gonna go into the replay mode. I'm going to go ahead and change his view so he can see himself as we saw him driving. So this is the third person view, and we're gonna start moving forward here. So as you can see on the screen here, you see a lot of green, yellow, and red. What does the green mean to you?
Good, pretty
You're
good.
To go. What does the yellow mean to you?
Needs improvement.
Maybe, or maybe a warning, right, or predictive behavior. And then of course we have the red. So what I'm gonna do is I wanna go through and take a look at some of these. Oftentimes when we're training, we don't have the time to go through the entire scenario. We're at the beginning here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna jump forward to the first yellow here. So the system goes forward, it puts us in that position, it highlights this right here. What does the yellow say here?
Student entered intersection with non-Yelp siren active.
With non-Yelp. Why is it important for the Yelp siren?
Alert traffic, ongoing traffic.
Yeah, because in most areas, if you change the pitch of your siren, it's telling people around you that you're entering the intersection. How many times do you find yourself hearing the siren and you're like, where are they, where are they? Because I too want to get ahead of it, right? And this is pretty universal with fire. You'll hear that big foghorn with the fire, an ambulance, same thing. So any emergency response. So again, that gives us the yellow. We're telling you, you should have used it here, but we're not scoring you down for it, right? Completely. Right. So let's go over here to this one, and this is another yellow, and what does this one say?
Student entered intersection with non-Yelp siren active.
Okay, so the same thing here. Same thing, yeah. So it looks like we need to do some work with him on changing the pitch of the siren. I'm going to go here, and this was another one. What was this one here? What was this red here?
Right, this is Tyrell between Main and 4th seatbelt.
Seatbelt, what does that mean?
I don't think my seatbelt, well, it was engaged. Maybe it wasn't locked all the way in.
Yeah, so what we do is we take a look at it, and we can see up here that you're undoing your seatbelt right now. Okay. And let me see if I can get you back here just a little bit. So we're going to go back just a little bit, and we'll show you where it was here. So you actually popped the seatbelt off, which is a good thing. It's not a problem. It's just that we want to say that maybe you started to take it off a little too early. So it can predict other behaviors, and then that's how we would look at this and try to walk through the system. So that is the VITALS, the Virtual Instructor Trainee Assessment Learning System. So it brings it all together. It is a great assistant training tool for us instructors that maybe not always paying attention to everything. Thanks.